Okay, so today I want to do something fun. I am going to like crazy decorate my craft room in different aesthetics. And aesthetics are like cottagecore or dark academia, cottage goth, things like that. And I just think it would be fun to paddle around through those different kinds of things. So here is a prompt that I would write for this. Okay, so what I wrote was using this calyx unit and at least one desk with the Alex units, that's those drawers on the side. Make this a crazy cool, over-the-top, cottagecore inspired craft room. Let's see what it does. We have to see what it does, and then we can see how we would modify the prompt. And I love using Ideogram for this. Ideogram is my go-to for visual things. Okay, let's see what it did. Oh my goodness. I love that. Cottagecore is actually one that I would like. Oh, that's pretty. That's actually probably way more realistic of what you would do. There's my cat. It put my cat in there. Oh my gosh. Now see, also this one I feel like is wonderful. So these two I feel like are super realistic. If you wanted to do cottagecore, think about it. All you've done is add an extra little swag and a drape, couple baskets, lots of baskets, and then like cottagecore hangings, and then a few little things hanging from the ceiling. So decorating your craft room in this style would not be a crazy idea. That's really cute. I sort of like the crazy one though, with all the different candlesticks and things like that. Okay, so I could think of cottagecore right off the top of my head, but let's go and look at the list of core aesthetics. That was cottagecore. Let's try goblincore. How fun is this? Goblincore. So this should make it a lot darker and more moody. I just think the details here are really fun to get you thinking about ways you could add, different handles to your units and paint them. It's just really neat. Okay, let's look at our goblin core. Whoa. Yeah, that's a lot of nature-inspired stuff with the dark greens. This is, see, I like over the top. They made a little fireplace with the desk. That is so impractical. And I like how my drill keeps moving around there it is on the wall. There it is on the table. Where did my cat go? And this is totally impractical, right? Like there are rocks on the floor. There's my drill. Okay. Cute hanging mushrooms. A cloche. That's cute. I'm surprised they didn't paint the calyx units like they painted, or the Alex units like they painted the calyx. But this is way more like a little shelf with some apothecary jars. You could do this relatively easily, right? Now that's sort of kind of how I did my desk. I love this. Some taxidermy, which goes with goblin core. How fun is that? Okay, let's go to a different, those are both kind of in my, interest. Let's do moody and dark. Let's do dark academia. I also like dark academia. How fun is this? This is just so interesting to get ideas. Would you actually do this whole giant, thing? But look at the little magnifying glasses hanging. That's adorable and something you could do. Okay, dark academia. Is it a craft room? I think we lost the craft room with that one. Okay, this has more of a craft room, but still, they're like throwing in a lot of books. Okay, this one is cool with the big candelabra. Okay, I don't hate that one. And this one actually looks like my house. So that's kind of how I had my desk. A little bit moody lighting. I don't know that I think it did as well. So what a lot of times with any of the things, what you need to do is when it gets pretty far down the line is you want to go back to the start of Ideogram. You want to repaste your prompt. My craft room will be in there now, so we don't have to re-upload it. Add as image reference. And let's do something totally different. Oh my goodness. Let's do Barbiecore. This ought to be funny. To me, you might love Barbiecore. My granddaughter would love Barbiecore. Oh, it did Dark Academia again. Hold on. We need Barbiecore. Now, these aren't mine. These are images that people are generating and sharing publicly. I don't ever share publicly. Okay. Barbie's Art Studio. That's kind of fun. Okay, Barbie Dream Craft Room. So let's think about this. This is actually pretty cool. If you're going to want to have this vibe in your craft room, all it is stripes. Now, candelabra, right? But a little bit different curtain, a fancy mirror, a little bench instead of a chair. That is relatively easy to make. I would make it flat so that the tufted things are on the top. And then painting the inside of the calyx units, which I have done before. Oh, now this is kind of fun. They put a like a pink marble top on the desk. They made my yard a garden. That's interesting. Oh, this isn't bad. Look, you could totally do this. First off, they changed my drill into pink. But a pink glass table, little pink chair with a fuzzy thing on it, paint your walls pink, and some Barbie fabric drapes. This would be totally doable. That's fun. Okay, let's do another aesthetic. Homey. Oh, shabby chic. Ooh. Do we want... Funhouse is one that Pinterest made up last year. Let's do... I love Afrohemian, but let's do boho, which is going to be weird because my idea of boho is probably more Afrohemian, but the new boho is kind of all bland beige and textures, I think. That would be my guess of what it's going to make. Okay, so we got a little bit of the baskets, full lamp, some flowers, some texture. Look, the textured rug. You can get those kind of inserts for the calyx. So if this is what you liked, you could absolutely little macrame hangings. There's my drill. Okay, let's see what this one is. This is kind of cute. You got the jute rug. Oh, you could get those kind of baskets in the bottom. Little macrame again. If this is your vibe, you could totally make a room with these kind of Oh, look, they put a wood top. That makes sense for boho. I'm surprised they're not painting more like they did with the first ones, painting the calyxes. Okay, that's interesting. They made this a little storage unit, which I don't hate. This is how I get some of my best ideas for how to manage my storage units. Oh, little bird cages. That's cute. Okay, let's do another aesthetic. Old money. Oh, Neo-Deco. I think that could be fun. Neo-Deco is going to be like Art Deco, but modernized. Okay, so that's kind of fun. I like that they put gold on the front of the Alex units. You could get a little insert for your window. That's wallpaper. I don't know about wallpaper. Okay, let's look at the... Oh, see this? This is more me that I would like. So there's a lot of gold. And they did paint the units with new handles, which you could do. And Art Deco has a lot of curved lines. So they made a top that had curved lines. Okay, this one... Boy, they really like wallpaper for this. But look, they painted the insides of the calyxes, which you could totally do. Just a new drape, and painted the Alexes and got a new... You could totally do this in your room. Where's my drill? My drill's missing in this one. They gold plated my drill. Okay, let's think about what this is. This is another desk bottom from IKEA, right? That you just spray paint gold. The Alex bottom, a blue top, different curtain. They kept my old curtain. This one to me feels, except for the ceiling, feels more realistic because you could take and cut out this with a little jigsaw, and then the rest of it's just a craft room, but you're getting that vibe of the Neo Deco. I kind of love this one. This is the one I would pick to get my inspiration from. We have to do one of the Clean Girl, right? Because this is and we're going to start at the beginning. Oops. We're going to go back to the start of an ideogram. Over the top, Clean Girl. So this is going to be a lot of plastic, pastel colors, very minimalist. Oh, I don't need to upload it again. Very minimalist. This would not be my favorite vibe. Okay, so Clean Girl, they broke apart the calyx, which it is. It's a 3, 2, 1. So they got them all, and then they put the Alex units. It's not exactly the right size, but they pared down everything, nice and clean and crisp, acrylic storage, pegboard on the wall. That could be something that you really want. This is really cool that they changed it so much. There we go. Lots of pastels, white pegboard, white. Yeah, that looks like what my impression of Clean Girl is. This is kind of pretty, right? This is nice, clean white lines, kind of the cream little sign. It's very, very on trend for that. I think they did a great job. All right, what's our last one? I know I have 5 sets. Fantasy. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, Mermaid Core? Anyone? Let's do it. Let's do it. That's fun. Okay, so let's think about what they did. That's cool. The waves with just a piece of chiffon. Is that chiffon? I don't know. And then hanging things. Doing the calyxes in fish scales. Ooh, you know what you could use is removable wallpaper for that. That could be very cool. Different handles, just wallpapered the top of this. That's doable. Little seashell pillows. There's my drill front and center. Okay, this is just a different drapey curtain. Little peel and stick wallpaper back here. They painted it kind of bluish, but you could totally do that. Baskets with the fish scales. And then they did looks like a resin top to the desks and a blue chair. So when you're looking at something like this, you want to think about what are the elements of what they're doing? Would I do that? Maybe I wouldn't do this, but I could totally. I have a glass top on my craft room desk. I could totally do paper crafts under there, collect some seashells, things like that. Okay, so art print, just an art print, hanging some stuff from the light. This is all just normal. Different curtains, that's fair. A little rug with rocks, probably not. But this is a little bit more interesting. I love this. They put those neon lights behind it with boards behind in blue light with boards behind the calyx. So you wouldn't even have to paint the calyx. You could just light it with the blue. I like that very much. And my drill is Aquaman. Okay, this is incredibly doable. This you could do with some kind of mother of pearl. Just a new swag curtain. A blue rug, and then different inserts for your calyx. Living in Florida, we could go collect those seashells to put on the rattan baskets, and that's a live edge. Live edge? I think that's what they call it. Live Edge desktop. Okay, so I think that there are so many fun ideas that we were able to get inspired by that we could do in the real world. I'm going to put a link to the blog post with the pictures here and the directions for how to do this using Ideogram. I think most of what I did today you could do for the free version of Ideogram. I like, I pay for Ideogram. I enjoy it so much. So hopefully this helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.